I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the SnapGrip Lite bundle, and it's a wonderful accessory from ShiftCam. If you don't know about ShiftCam already, they are one of the leading manufacturers of photography accessories intended for your mobile device. They help take your mobile phone and your mobile photography to the next level by providing smart and intuitive accessories. Some of you may know ShiftCam from prior videos, and of course the SnapGrip Classic is a classic. It's a great add-on. This new bundle is the SnapGrip Lite, and it has, besides for some extra accessories, some beautiful colors. With 5 new colors for spring, summer of 2024. This is the canary yellow one. Inside the box you get, of course, the charging cable, the SnapGrip, a Snap Lite, a pouch for you to store away the SnapGrip when you're done with it. Very nice and padded, by the way. And you get this little magnetic sticker which is matched up perfectly. We'll have a look at this in just a few minutes. Getting started with the SnapGrip is super easy. If you have one of the newer iPhones with MagSafe technology built in, it's just a matter of lining up the MagSafe spot with the SnapGrip and opening up the camera app. Once you have that, you'll go ahead and focus and push the shutter button. And just like that, you've taken a photo. When you're ready to do a portrait style, you'll go ahead and you can shift into portrait mode. And once again, just push the shutter and away you go. Easy to use and very secure, as you can see. The SnapGrip isn't limited to just being a photography accessory, of course. Because there's a built-in battery here, you can use this as a portable charger. You go ahead and line it up, you hit the button to turn on the charging port, and just like that, you're charging your phone. And of course, when you're charging it, might as well watch a video because the SnapGrip actually works as a stand as well. And this can be in portrait or in landscape. So either way it's fine, whether you're taking a FaceTime call, a Zoom call, or just watching a video. It is a great accessory and easy way to charge your phone while you're watching a video. So what if you're using a phone that doesn't have MagSafe technology or a magnet built in? Let's look at this old Android device. As you can see, it's got a magnet in here, but it doesn't really hold. It's just very loose. So what ShiftCam has done is they've gone ahead and included a color matched sticker here that is a metal sticker. You'd stick this to the back of the phone and then you'd line up the ShiftCam that way and it would stick on together. Obviously we're not going to stick it to this one, but it's a very easy solution for someone who has an older phone or a phone that's not MagSafe compatible. When it comes to using the Lite with this accessory, it's very easy to do. You'll go ahead and line up the grip to the accessory just like this, and you'll get into place with the big part facing upwards. But of course you can control the way you want it to go. And then you'll line up the MagSafe as you normally would, and you're ready to take a photo, and all you do is just turn on the light. So there's a little button here, and just like that, you're ready to take a photo with the light. And of course you do have a few different levels of lighting. So just by pushing a button, you change the intensity. And in case you want to use it for selfies, very easy, just pop it open. And there you go, you're ready to do a selfie right now with the light. And it's super easy to use. So you just hold it up, just adjust the light. Just like that, I took a selfie, and there is a mirror here that allows you to see what you're taking a selfie of, which is great. I really love that. Because the light features that magnetic ring here, that means I can use it on anything that's metallic. So if I don't want to use the SnapGrip, but I do want to use the light by itself, I can easily use it via the MagSafe right here and take a selfie that way. And of course, when we're done using the SnapGrip and we're ready to put it away, we just go ahead and line these up, and we'll go ahead and stick it inside the carrying case and zip it up, and you're good to go. Very easy, very convenient, and nice padding, so it's really safe inside your bag. Of course, ShiftCam does offer a whack of accessories that you can use with the SnapGrip. You can take a look at their website and see some of the additional accessories that can be purchased separately. And in this bundle, I think you get a great starting set. The light, the case, the grip, and of course the magnet or the metal piece here in case you don't have the magnet built into your phone. All in all, a great product from ShiftCam. The SnapGrip really is a wonderful accessory to use, especially if you like to take photography or do videos. It's great either way. I will put a full description below and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.